Guys, look at this. Today we are here at Elements. There you see the surfers, and we make some music. There is Philip, one of the owners. Philip, you like to say something?
I'm just super happy that you're here, my friends.
Nice. You should come to Elements, huh?
Absolutely, it's going to be epic.
Good morning. Like right now we are here in Ahangama, and families there playing. Little boy here down, nice pool. Also the rooms are like nice, you know, like you have a big bathroom. Yeah, everything you need. I will put the link below. And today we have some like a little party. A friend of us, she will be like a girlfriend. She will celebrate 40 years, nice age, and yeah, she has a foundation here, so we will make a little vlog about it. So also, if you like to donate to this foundation, yeah, do it. Always, yeah, win-win-win. Share some love, and yeah, keep pushing, keep going, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye. Fauna, villa fauna. It's nice. You have here everything you can here park. The bikes, cars. And then right now we go. Oh, Amir, look, and wow. Right now we go to Kip together. It's nice. The Kip. Was für den Papi? The Daddy. Schau mal. Willst du absteigen? Yes. Hä? Mein Schatz, willst du absteigen? Super, there's a knock.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh.
Hello.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Hi.
Good morning.
Look at me. Guys, look at this place. Oh, look here, you have a second floor. Nice, they are building some construction here. Yeah, Ahangama, it's amazing. So the place is Cactus. I'll show you a little bit around. What a place. So today we are invited to a nice party from a friend, like girlfriend of us. Nice restaurant, also bar. And if you like to make a donation under this video, I will give you the link, and then yeah, you will have everything to make a nice donation for a woman's foundation. So here we will start soon. What a view, no? Like amazing. People surfing there. Here, like people chilling on the beach. And yeah, if you will, like, if you like to travel and yeah, if you like to see some new places, go to Sri Lanka.